MCA final year last semester. Few months before, I was planning to boost up my development skill in PHP as per the latest technology. I searched for Training Institute and I found Debuggers. I joined Debuggers and found that it is one of the best training institute for beginners because they assign only development tasks and there is no place for theory and all. It was the best opportunity for me to work on live projects, and I have learned that what exactly software development is. Here the trainer provides full support in development to solve our queries and problems. I get lots of motivation for work and development of my own. I followed the instructions of my trainers for last 3 months and I have learned a lot. Now I am having hand-on experience in development on live project during the journey of beginners to programmers. According to my experience, I would suggest to all freshers to have practical knowledge which is far different from theoretical knowledge. So you should definitely join PHP training to boost your skills and shape your career with debuggers.